so nice. I don't know why I was so freaked out. You all right there?
It's been really rolly. Didn't sleep great last night. So we haven't really talked about what our plans are on a channel, and we just kind of go day by day. But we're planning now, at the very end of April 30th, to start circumnavigating Vancouver Island. We plan to take about 8 weeks. And that's kind of a lie, actually. We're going down to Victoria, and then we have to come back to pick up some parts that haven't been shipped here yet. We're still waiting for. But today's kind of the day we're leaving. And it's, I don't know, everything's packed up. We're excited. I'm excited. Weather's getting really nice. Tiff's just finishing up here.
Yeah, put the garbage out.
How are you feeling about the trip?
I'm stressed. But I'm only stressed because I just don't know what to expect. But I'm very excited to be going.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm excited.
She's pretty quiet for the last couple hours while she's cleaning, getting ready.
It's just because I don't know what it's going to be like. I just don't know like what the mooring ball's going to be like, what the dock's going to be like. But it's just silly to be stressed about it.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
So, I mean, we've been here on the boat for almost, what, 6 months? August, September, October, November.
9
months.
9 months.
So we've been on the boat for 9 months, and really we've only been sailing like
4
maybe 4 weeks of that on the
Not
boat.
4 weeks.
Well, not all at once.
Yeah, but we've sailed for a longer season of 4 weeks.
Anyways, we haven't sailed that long, and what happens often is we sail, we have a great time, we come back to the marina, and as you get comfortable in the marina, you get more and more, at least for us, we get more and more nervous about going out, and you kind of just forget and sort of settle into like a dock life.
Routine. Having a car.
Yeah, routine. And I know even for me, it's hard for me not to want to get every single thing done before we go. So it's been, the last month has been sort of an exercise in like, get what you need to get done, and then everything else can be done on the way. So yeah, we're really nervous right now about going, but once we settle into the sailing groove and whatnot, it will be good. You just, when you're in the marina, you get into like, especially when you're unexperienced like us, and most every trip we do is something new.
That's true. I think that's what it is too, is this is another like, it's a new thing.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's not raining, which is great.
Yeah. Anyways, weather's nice. We're excited to go.
I think
we just gotta go. We gotta cut the cord here. Hey?
Yeah. I agree. Tanks are full. Fridge is full. And it's, even if they weren't, it's not that big of a deal. We're close to stores.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do this. Got the shot. So somehow we managed to get ourselves caught in fighting a current again. We didn't check the tide, partially because it's usually not that big of a deal through here, but Sansom Narrows is currently, we're at a 2-knot tide that we're fighting. So we're pushing at 5.6. And we're moving at 3.2. So anyway, that's unfortunate. turn it off?
I turned
You turn the button off?
I turned the fan off.
There's a little button, the on-off button for the gauges.
Hey, Tiffany. Oh my goodness.
Always are on me for that.
Can you turn it to 2?
No, 1. Oh no, 2. Yeah, there you go. This is very comfortable. 2.8 knots. A little slow, but it's good. Not too slow. Not too slow that it feels like...
Just for sailing.
Yeah. Yeah, we're on a real close haul here. So we'll go tack. This is so nice. I don't know why I was so freaked out. I do. It's just me. That's what it was. Don't know what he's doing. Fine-tuning the boom bang, I guess. You can't help it. He just has to go as fast as he possibly can. Oh man, we're picking up here.
We weren't able to sail for very long until our wind died. Then it was back to motoring and dodging ferries.
So it's actually quite breezy in here. Lyndon just grabbed the mooring ball. You got it, right? Okay. Whew. Yeah, this is Sydney's Spit. It's breezy and I'm freezing. I'm absolutely frozen. We're not protected in here, but we're on a mooring ball. We should hold strong. We're in 18 feet of water. I think we'll be okay. We'll be fine. You all right there?
We made it to Sydney's Spit and it's quite cold outside. The wind really picked up. So we're on our mooring ball, which is free until the middle of May, which is awesome. But we got the heat on and got some burgers. The wind generator is making power and the batteries are holding it. So that's
awesome. That's a first.
That's a first.
So we're just gonna have some dinner. It's really nice. I like it that it's clean in here. It's usually a disaster. So look at that. We got some shows we've loaded on the computer. Okay, coming.
Tiff, you can't do this to us.
I may have a problem.
Somebody likes bacon too much.
I put raisins in it this time, which I don't remember if I did that last time.
Yeah, you do.
I did.
You're too good to me. Well, we're in this anchorage at Sydney Spit and it's pretty open, but it's been really rolly. Didn't sleep great last night. It's really windy too today. How'd you sleep, babe?
Not really good.
You can hear the wind generator going here. Yeah, Tiff, she's a bit of a picky sleeper, so she was up a lot last night. Guess it's something we gotta get used to.
Leave me alone.
Okay.
A little airplane. That's gonna constantly be in the background of all of our
Every
videos.
video we do,
There's an airplane.
there's an airplane.
flying in the background.
There's another one somewhere.
We just took the bimini off because it's gorgeous out. It's not supposed to rain today. It's warm. It's very nice out, and it stopped like blowing and rocking the boat, so we can actually row to shore, which is going to be exciting. Yep, let's go do this. Looks good. We're coming in hot there, Lyndon. Slow down.
Man, the sand is like so deep.
You know, it's soft, hey? It's like there was just water on it. Wow, that is insane. Dead. Oh, it's not. So our camera died when we were on shore, unfortunately, because it is so cool up there and gorgeous, and we'd love to go back. It's so nice out. Lyndon's doing a Sudoku, getting a tan. Yeah, so I'm gonna make some lunch. We have to get the dinghy onto the boat, on the deck of the boat, because we're heading to a marina, and we're not allowed to have the dinghy in the water, or on the dock, I'm assuming. So we have to get it on the boat. So that's gonna be interesting. But first we need to eat lunch. How are we gonna do this?
Muscle.
Muscle. Oh, look at you. Do you need my help?
Probably.
Okay, I'll put this down.
We're gonna have to flip it over.
It's been in the water for like long.
Okay,
I don't know what you're doing.
I'm trying to flip it.
There's gonna be a bunch of water come out.
Grab it from the bottom.
Okay. It's on the pedal.
What?
Okay.
I'll just tie it through here.
That worked pretty good. It's a bummer that it takes up like so much of the deck space, but at least it fits, right? Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to support us on this adventure or find out more about us, click on our Patreon link. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe. We post a new episode every Wednesday.